I know now. You don't do.
What's in there for you? Badger. Why your face like that?
Now one white witch enter here, slap her. Now they cry since that
Which
time.
white witch?
Now one woman was say na oga woman.
Oga the woman.
I don't know. Me, I just dey reason am. Say maybe na oga woman. She just enter, just slap her. I don't understand.
My cheese dey pain me.
Oh,
My cheese dey pain me.
sorry, eh? No, this kind thing we dey see for all this kind of work. Eh? No, they cry. Oh, you don't know what you resemble. It's okay. Oh,
You don't do one. Eh?
oh, sorry.
Bajala.
Oh, sorry.
Wetin be this now?
She's love me. She's
Oh.
love me.
Next time they mind your business.
I go shop it for this house.
It's okay now. Don't do now. Eh?
It's okay.
Oh, Baja. You don't do now.
Wait, you resemble. No, make another that kind.
Good afternoon, sir.
That
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay? Did you hear me?
I hear you.
You see? Come on, stop crying. Okay? See, I don't want you to see what happened here as if someone is trying to maltreat you or someone is trying to oppress you. No. I want you to take it to the heart that someday, sometime, you'll become the boss of your own. What you're doing here is to learn and to build up yourself for a better tomorrow. Those that look down on you will see you at the top. As big as this house, say it to yourself that someday I'm going to build a bigger house like this and also own workers. But the only thing I wouldn't want you to take to heart is I am also going to suppress those who I am better than. No. Anything that should come to your head is I am going to be better. And I will not take whatever that happens to me here negatively to my future. Because when you think that, God will deny you of so many things. So you are going to be better. You are learning. Okay? Stop crying. Come on. Wipe away your tears. Come on, stop crying. Yeah, give me a smile. Smile. Good. Yeah, go back to your tears.
Thank you, sir. You don't do.
Ando nkume mgbe ebighị ebi, kwe ka m zoro n'ime gị o. Ọ na-edu m ụzọ ndụ, nkume mgbe ebighị ebi, ọ na-edu m ụzọ ndụ. Nkume mgbe ebighị ebi, kwe ka m zoro n'ime gị. Ọ na-edu m ụzọ ndụ. Nkume mgbe ebighị ebi, ọ na-edu m ụzọ ndụ. Nkume mgbe ebighị ebi, kwe ka m zoro n'ime gị. Hey, ọkwọ ụgbọ Jizọs kọwara anyị ụgbọ karịa. Boss, ọkwọ ụgbọ.
Hey, stop there.
Sir?
Who is backing up?
I'm coming, Salobes. Just give me time. We do it in professional ways. Hey. Oga, Okay, boss. You know, you don't employ me. And as I dey work with all my heart. I dey work with all the 24 spirit wey dey for my papa land. Enter motor, let's go.
Enter me.
Eh, maybe they shout more. Say you don't dey late. Me, you don't see, I don't come out. Let's go. Enter motor.
And whose property is all this?
This now my own format. Hey, hey, with him, get candy. Feel my swag. Hey, boss, thank you for giving me this job. Oh. Thank you. On est better. On est better.
Please stop that document. Get out of this place. Get down from that car. Are you okay?
I know they like intimidation. I know they like I know they like intimidation. Eh? Now they worry me since come down. You don't they go late. Now you still they complain. Nah, as I touch this motor, now one touch. You know, to tell you that I dey drive with a professional spirit, na never oil. Tell me the truth. Na never oil dey this motor ban. Talk true. You know, say we will be professional. We know all the kind oil wey sabi motor. As I touch am, immediately, boom. Now this kind motor they carry go Ochanja that time. Okay, let me tell you. As you dey now, you suppose dey, as I say na me dey carry you. You suppose relax. And never all you come there, yeah. Why you come to worry yourself? No, why you come to worry yourself? You know, say all these big man, una dey fear to die young. You no go die. Now professional spirit when they drive carry you. Now this kind of thing where I dey talk. If I dey do my work, I dey like dey explain myself. I know they hide my feelings. You see all this caution when you dey see for motor. Now me go meet them. I carry this, see this shoe. I carry am gingerly go meet them. Say if I dey drive any motor where I want touch, I dey like see caution. Yeah? You see pressure, I know they like am. Go and ask my grandmother. Pressure is the one thing where I hate. Where are they work last? Eh? Now so that man die you, and now because of pressure. Do you know why? After they drive, I dey tell him, Oga, calm down. I dey see one big trailer they come. That man they talk. I dey tell him, that man they talk. Oga, calm down. You go bring my leg out. Now so that man they talk. I won't forget. The spirit can't leave me. Guess what happened? Just can you guess? As the spirit come leave me, I can't notice am. Phew! I just come on. That's what the man that to go enter trailer. That's what that man now. I think by next week they be planning that man birthday. And I will attend that birthday because I want him. So if you boss, go say you cover yourself with the blood of Jesus. That one day important to any journey where I dey go. So far I say that me they carry you, cover yourself with the blood of Jesus. Oh, when you come and carry a statement. I know why. Me, I don't pray. No, all this driving, forget say all this stuff where they talk. Now God the driver, me and the spirit and God. Enter, let's go. One way. Hey! Over! See, you see this Nollywood engine oil? Yeah? Mark trailer. Now where they put them now? You know, say I don't drive Mark. I don't drive, I be professional driver. When you come to driving all these dangote, and I never oil they use drive am. Enter motor, you no get wahala. I don't put foam. You carry jacket in case of, say